Hello. In this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly smoke the city stairs from the T-spawn on Mirage map. To do it, go to the doors on the ramp, place yourself right into the middle of this, look to the roof and the corner of the roof, aim just like me and press jump throw. As you can see, city stairs are smoked, fully smoked, and also the jungle a little bit, so it's perfectly fine for entering A and very helpful. That's all for today. Watch more grenades on our YouTube channel, subscribe and bye!